Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix Domino's Pizza app location problem. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's Pizza application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Domino's Pizza app location problem. So, if Domino's Pizza app has a location problem, wrong location, cannot find store, or GPS not working, try these few fixes. First of all, check location permissions. So in your settings, of course, on your phone, you can check out the permissions if that is available and turn on the location access. You can turn the GPS off and on, so you can disable location service within a few seconds, turn it back on, and reopen the Domino's app. You can enter your address manually, so you can tap on the delivery at, as you can see, address which we have here in the application, and enter it manually. Don't, of course, take out of the recommended addresses. You can update the Domino's app, so go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, again, whichever you have, and see if there is a update. Simply, the app might not work because of an update. You can clear app cache. This is only for Android phones, so you can go and clear cache. But to, of course, do that for on iPhone, you just need to go and reinstall the application. So delete it and install it again. You can check your internet connection, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and make sure your connection is stable. If the app still cannot find your store, the issue may be that Domino's does not deliver to your current address or that your local store is not supported by the app. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.